The iPhone 4 was officially launched on June 24, 2010, and it quickly became one of the most popular smartphones of its time. Let's break down the key specs and features of the iPhone 4. Display: a 3.5-inch Retina display with a resolution of 960 by 640 pixels, offering sharp, vibrant visuals. Processor powered by the Apple A4 chip. This device was designed to offer smooth performance and efficiency. Camera: the iPhone 4 came with a 5MP rear camera that could shoot HD video at 720p, along with a VGA front-facing camera for video calling. Operating system: initially launched with iOS 4. The iPhone 4 was updated to iOS 7.1.2, its last supported update. Storage options: available in 8GB, 16GB, and 32GB models, offering decent storage for apps, photos, and music. Battery life: the iPhone 4 had a 1420mAh battery, which provided around 7 hours of talk time. Design: featuring a sleek stainless steel frame with glass front and back. The iPhone 4 was Apple's first phone to introduce the now iconic square design. After being a huge success, Apple officially stopped production of the iPhone 4 in September 2013, marking the end of an era for this model. The iPhone 4 received software updates up to iOS 7, but support was officially dropped in 2014. That wraps up everything you need to know about the iPhone 4 specs. In the next video, we'll be diving into the specs of its successor, the iPhone 4S. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on future content. Bye.